The Lincoln Navigator is more than just a vehicle, it is a symbol of American luxury, innovation, and the pursuit of excellence. Since its debut in the late 1990s, the Navigator has redefined what a full-size luxury SUV can be, combining opulence, power, and cutting-edge technology into a package that appeals to families, executives, and adventurers alike. It is a vehicle that embodies the spirit of Lincoln as a brand, timeless elegance, modern sophistication, and a commitment to delivering an unparalleled driving experience. At its core, the Lincoln Navigator is a testament to the power of design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Navigator commands attention. Its bold, imposing presence is accentuated by a sleek, aerodynamic profile, a signature Lincoln grille, and distinctive LED lighting that sets it apart from the crowd. The exterior design is not just about aesthetics, it is a statement of intent. It tells the world that this is a vehicle built for those who demand the best, a vehicle that refuses to compromise on style or substance. But the true magic of the Navigator lies in its interior. Step inside, and you are greeted by a sanctuary of luxury. Premium materials, handcrafted details, and state-of-the-art technology come together to create an environment that is as comfortable as it is sophisticated. From the supple leather seats to the meticulously crafted wood and metal accents, every element of the interior has been designed with the utmost care and attention to detail. The Navigator is not just a vehicle, it is an experience, a place where you can escape the stresses of the outside world and immerse yourself in a world of comfort and refinement. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Lincoln Navigator is its ability to seamlessly blend luxury with practicality. This is a vehicle that is as capable as it is comfortable. With its powerful engine options, advanced all-wheel drive system, and robust towing capacity, the Navigator is more than capable of handling whatever challenges the road, or the off-road, throws its way. Whether you are navigating city streets, cruising down the highway, or exploring rugged terrain, the Navigator delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and effortless. And with its spacious interior and versatile seating configurations, it is also a vehicle that can adapt to the needs of your lifestyle. Whether you are transporting your family, hauling cargo, or embarking on a road trip with friends, the Navigator has the space and flexibility to accommodate your needs. But what truly sets the Lincoln Navigator apart is its commitment to innovation. This is a vehicle that is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of automotive technology. From its advanced infotainment system to its cutting-edge driver assistance features, the Navigator is packed with technology designed to enhance your driving experience and keep you connected, entertained, and safe on the road. The Sync system, for example, allows you to control everything from navigation to entertainment with simple voice commands, while the available Revel Ultima audio system delivers a concert-like listening experience that will leave you breathless. And with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, the Navigator is not just a luxury SUV, it is a smart SUV, designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Of course, no discussion of the Lincoln Navigator would be complete without mentioning its performance. Under the hood, the Navigator is powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers an impressive combination of power and efficiency. With over 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, this engine provides the kind of performance you would expect from a luxury SUV, with the added benefit of improved fuel economy. And with its advanced suspension system and adaptive damping technology, the Navigator offers a ride that is as smooth as it is responsive. Whether you are navigating tight corners or cruising down the highway, the Navigator delivers a driving experience that is both dynamic and refined. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Lincoln Navigator is the way it makes you feel. This is a vehicle that is designed to inspire confidence, to make you feel like you can take on the world. From the moment you step inside, you are enveloped in a sense of calm and control. The quiet, serene cabin, the intuitive controls, the effortless performance, all of these elements come together to create a driving experience that is truly transformative. The Navigator is not just a vehicle, it is a statement about who you are and what you value. It is a vehicle that says you demand the best, that you refuse to settle for anything less than excellence. In many ways, the Lincoln Navigator is a reflection of the values that have defined Lincoln as a brand for over a century. It is a vehicle that embodies the spirit of innovation, the pursuit of perfection, and the commitment to delivering an exceptional experience. It is a vehicle that is designed not just to meet your needs, but to exceed your expectations. And it is a vehicle that continues to set the standard for what a luxury SUV can be. As we look to the future, it is clear that the Lincoln Navigator will continue to play a leading role in the evolution of the automotive industry. With its relentless focus on innovation, its commitment to luxury, and its ability to adapt to the changing needs of drivers, the Navigator is a vehicle that is poised to remain at the forefront of the luxury SUV market for years to come. It is a vehicle that is not just built for today, but for tomorrow, a vehicle that is designed to inspire, to empower, and to elevate the driving experience to new heights. In conclusion, the Lincoln Navigator is more than just a luxury SUV, it is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and innovation. It is a vehicle that combines power, elegance, and technology in a way that is truly unique. It is a vehicle that is designed to make a statement, to turn heads, and to set new standards for what a luxury SUV can be. Whether you are a family looking for a spacious and comfortable vehicle, an executive in need of a sophisticated and capable ride, or an adventurer seeking a vehicle that can handle whatever challenges the road throws your way, the Lincoln Navigator is the perfect choice. It is a vehicle that is built to inspire, to empower, and to elevate the driving experience to new heights. And it is a vehicle that will continue to define the future of luxury SUVs for years to come.